Hello, my pretties. It's Nerdy Witch here with
me,
who is we keep having to start over because we both got this dry cough. But this is Logan, and we're both coughing, so we're just gonna work with it. Is what we're gonna do. Anywho, so today we're gonna try water marbling.
I've been up our butt all day.
He has been up my butt literally almost all day to water marble.
And also lots of weeks ago.
And weeks. Yeah, this has been an ongoing thing. And I love doing arts and crafts with Logan. However, I didn't know if this was going to be a win or a fail. Right. So we want you to comment down below who is better at water marbling and who makes the prettiest item. So if you decide that my mug is the prettiest or Logan's heart box is the prettiest, let us know down below. So who's ever better at water marbling, we should have a wager. Do you know what a wager is? Wager is if I win, I get something, or you have to do something for me, or if you win, you get something, or I have to do something for you.
Okay. We'll both say what's going on at the end.
Okay, so if I win, right? If I'm the better water marbler, I want extra snuggles for a week.
If I win, then I want money to Toys R Us.
Toys R Us. Well, that's monetary. No, that's not how this works.
Tell me, please.
How about I play an extra few games with you for a week?
Sure.
Okay, great. Not everything should have a monetary reward. However, let us proceed with the water marbling, and let me show you what I got for us to work with from the dollar store.
Quack, quack.
It's okay to be private, it's okay to cry, it's okay to hold back or hold things inside. It's okay to scream, to release them, to be seen. It's okay to be seen, it's okay to be seen. It's okay to receive. It's okay to notice, to stop and to stare, 'cause the beauty, it blinds you and holds you right there. It's okay to listen, one ear to the ground, one ear to the sky, tree, street, or heart that you pound. It's okay to giggle a little to yourself, 'cause the spirit, it tickles as it enters a sound. Ha 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 ha. It's okay to sing it. In fact, it's encouraged. It don't matter how soft, rough, vivid, or tender, or out or in key, as long as you mean it. As long as you mean it. You're giving permission. You're giving permission for others to sing it. You're giving permission for others to sing. All things for that matter.
My turn. I don't want a chicken. I want to do my mug.
Mug?
Yeah, wait. I'm going to do the black mug. You do the white mug for me so I can have my coffee. All right. I really want to try. Let's see if I can do this fast enough. Okay, there's some blue.
Blue. I say blue. Ooh.
And there's some teal.
coming out really pretty.
Yeah. And then
Since you got to stick mine, I'm gonna stick yours. Okay. So pretty.
I don't know if this is gonna work.
Okay, now yours is done in gold.
All I know is that the glitter does not work.
Glitter doesn't that work?
Alright, gentle swirl.
Okay.
Gently. Oh, yeah. Alright, Logan's the better water marbler. Here, can you pull some of this from the outside in? I'm not trying to mess up your work here, but I really want to get this in here.
It's okay. I mean, look at that prettiness.
Logan's really good at this. Alright, any more adjustments? Or just go for it?
One more adjustment.
No.
Sorry.
Okay, wait.
Let's take it. Dump your mug. Dump your mug in.
Oh my gosh. That is so cool.
We both got a cool thing right there.
Oh my god. Okay. All right. We're water marbling.
Yeah, we're water marbling for sure.
It looks like a space.
Space.
Okay, wait. Let me put that up. I didn't know how that was gonna work on the black.
You won this round.
There once was a child. He thought his smile had been lost in a storm. It had washed away his home and toys and things, and all that was left was a dream every night. In his sleep his room was whole again, and his blanket was ripped in that place just the same. And his favorite bear was in his arms, and they danced round the room, and he laughed in his sleep as the bear smiled and said to him, "Please twirl me one more time and don't stop spinning me. Please swirl me in your mind so I can be a colored painting that you'll look upon. Spin, spin with me." I saw a girl last night. She was standing in the light in a corner of the room. She was waiting for a hand. Then a boy came over and he asked her to dance. The people all stopped to watch them. They were moving up and down with the waves of the song. They were moving in time with each other. Then the girl looked at him and she knew what it was, and she smiled as she said to him, "Please twirl me one more time and don't stop spinning me. Please swirl me in your mind so I can be a colored painting that you'll look upon. Don't stop looking." I heard a story about a man. He came up with wife. Then he said, now darling, why are you crying so? And she whispered in his ear, I have a fear that you won't come back down to this ground. And he said, I'll always come back to you. Just help me this once to get higher up. And he kissed her and he said, please twirl.
So we're just gonna take the purple nail polish. Oh, and guys, don't try this at home. This is too messy. We're gonna start with the purples, and then we're gonna go into the blues, and then I have no idea.
You gotta move a little fast.
A little fast.
Mhm.
I wonder how this penguin's gonna be, because I am very scared. It looks like a flower!
It does.
Should I just leave it like that?
That's up to you. You already have a very purpley.
We don't want that much purple.
It's up to you.
Why is there green?
Because it's teal.
Teal, gosh dang it.
This is green.
Oh, teal? That looks like an earthy blue.
It's starting to look like a geode.
A geode? I think I should keep it this way. But I'm not going to, because I have three other nail polishes to do. Sorry about that.
Just make sure you're careful when you swirl it. That gold was a really good call.
Yeah, good call, Mommy. Good call.
Make sure you put them back on the
Since this one did not work, I still
Save it for your
consider it
nails.
as my favorite color, but I'm not.
We can paint it on something afterwards once it dries. Come on, Logan, your stuff's drying. Move, move, move.
Go. Oh, okay. Okay. I'm so scared. I have one last color. One last color.
It's a lot of dye for one little penguin.
Okay. Oh. Gotta scooch this a little farther.
Your penguin's only going to be yellow.
You don't know where I'm gonna put it.
Okay.
Okay.
You got a great cross.
Can you take this with
Yeah.
me?
This is great right here.
I'm just gonna dip. It looks amazing.
It does. Put it down to dry.
My hands.
Okay, hold on.
Let's help this a little bit.
Don't.
My hands are already, so I don't care.
Go ahead. You have a point.
It's so fun playing this.
Don't make a mess because it's going to be impossible to get out. Show your hands to the camera.
Look at how messy my hands are.
It kind of looks amazing. Luckily, I have lots of nail polish remover.
It's all so bad.
Okay, here. Careful. Here. Okay. Okay, so we now have the battle wounds
The battle wound.
of water marbling.
Water marbling.
Mm-hmm. So you got to let us know in the comments below who did a better job at water marbling. Was it Logan or Mama Nerdy Witch?
We can also vote ourselves.
We can vote ourselves. I'm going to post pictures of our favorite pieces once they have cured on the Twitter and on the Instagram. Yeah? Yeah, we're going to do that.
My favorite pieces are the Cosmic Buddha and the 2 penguins that I have created.
Well, we'll put them on the social media, and then please comment below on who you think won the water marbling, because I want my cuddles, so I'm a little biased. I think I was better at it. He doesn't. Anyway, so we're gonna comment who we think is better. We're going to like this video if you would like to see more, and please subscribe.
I beg you. Do you know what's gonna happen?
No, I don't know what's gonna happen.
That's gonna happen. That's gonna happen.
Okay. So that's it. And we're just gonna sign off and say bye, witches.